This is a series parallel switch for two voltage sources. I hope to use this in the future with solar panels. I need a quite heavy relays in that case, but this is a demo circuit and I tested it first in a situation with a lower voltage. This is a relay here. This is also a relay. This is the demo circuit, relay 1, relay 2, or this is 1 and this is 2. I'll explain it later. Here are my two voltage sources, and this is the second voltage source, and the load is in this demo situation two small bicycle lamps. In parallel, the output from the circuit is 12 volts, but the current can get higher because both of the voltage and power sources are switched in parallel. I've used diodes here because in the real situation later there are also diodes, and I've used a fuse here for absolute safety, though I found out that when these relays hang or don't switch, that's no problem, because in that situation it stays a parallel circuit. It never goes to the higher voltage when one of the relays is not activated. In the parallel situation, switch 1A is connected to X, as switch 1B is closed, this switch, and in the series situation you get a double voltage. Switch 1A is connected to I, this is to I, and switch 1B is open. The fuse depends of course on the practical situation. I want to explain it somewhat. Here are the two voltage sources, here the positive lead, here also the positive lead. When the relay is not activated, the current flows this way here from one source, and this way from the other source, and the minus from the two sources are connected here via this switch. This switch is closed when the whole circuit is not activated, to here. So then you have in this case 12 volts. When it's open, the two voltage sources are in series. This is the connection then. This relay opens, the positive lead goes to the negative here, and here the output, and here the minus. So then it's in this case 24 volts. This is how you can make the circuit in real with a relay. Here I've made it in real. I want to demonstrate it now somewhat. I activate the relays now, and here you can see that the voltage doubles, and you can also see that both voltage sources add something to the lamps. That's also important. I remove now the voltage to the relay, so now the circuit is in parallel, and I remove this source, and still the two lamps are supplied via this source. And when I put this source again in order and remove this source, the lamps still light up. So this proves that both voltage sources add voltage and current to the lamps. Here you see how you can make it in real. I hope my camera holds out for a few minutes. Two relays. These are the relay contacts. This is the rest position from the relay here. This is the active position from the relay. This is the complete circuit. I hope It's visible. The output, positive and negative. So it's an easy way and foolproof to switch two sources, parallel or in series. The value from the diode, of course, depends completely on the voltage source and the current that flows in the circuit. Took quite a long time to find it out, but finally I succeeded.